Alright, y'all. We are here to do a versus test. The Bagless twin chamber Hoover and the Bissell Powerforce Turbo or Helix Turbo. So we're going to start with the Hoover, and we got quite a bit of dirt down here. So I'm going to try and make this work because I'm having to keep my phone plugged in. But anyway, here we go. Ew. Some of the stuffing on here is gonna cause a belt to snap. Yeah, we're not counting wraps because all vacuums wrap something up, so we're gonna exclude that from the results, the test results. Now, if this was a hair wrap challenge, then we'd include it, but since it's not, here we go. Yeah, as I expected. Anyway, now it's time for the Bissell. I both had them both set at the same height, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the Bissell going. They're both on 3, so here we go. Alright, well, I'd say aside from me having to pause and pull the hair off the Hoover Bagless twin chamber, they both kind of did fairly even squared, except for the Hoover. It kind of had a little wrapping problem to where I had to stop it and pull the hair off. The Bissell, I don't know. I'd say it kind of did about the same, except for I didn't have to pause and, well, I didn't pause, I didn't have to shut it off and clean the hair off the roller brush. So yeah, I guess we can minus points from the Hoover for making me have to stop, but then again, like I said, it's not a test about the hair wrap. But either way, we're gonna call it a Bissell, or not Bissell. We're gonna call it a little bit of a tie. I think the Hoover did take a little bit longer, but the Bissell, this one's gonna be difficult to say. I like them both, so we're gonna. You know what, we're just going to go ahead and say tie, excluding the time it took for me to unwrap the hair off the Hoover. Hoover won. So did the Bissell, except I didn't have to stop it and unwrap hair. So anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And until next time, bye y'all.